Hi, I'm John Galensky. I'm president here at Automation Plus, a Plus Group company. Automation Plus is a turnkey system integrator. Our solutions team consists of designers, programmers, IT and software developers, cybersecurity experts, packaging engineers, and commissioning resources. We are part of the Plus Group, which provides full service engineering and construction all under one roof. So our team focuses on regulated industries. Those include chemical, pharmaceutical, life science, food and beverage, and agribusiness. We really focus in on those heavy process industries within industrial manufacturing, and that's all we focus on is industrial manufacturing. We provide industrial automation solutions. Our experts engage from front-end design and conceptual efforts through discrete and process automation, design and programming, all the way to enterprise integration and cybersecurity. In addition, we have packaging engineering, which allows us to really provide that end-to-end support for our clients and drive connected work-first solutions. So that's something we focus on, right? So our tagline here at the organization is our process revolves around you. And we take that seriously. We really focus not only on our clients and their process, but also our employees, right? Our process revolves around you and our communities. What we found is when you focus on your people and really support them in their dreams, their goals, their aspirations, your business will flourish. And you'll have that world-class talent for a mid-sized firm, which helps to drive innovation both internally and within our clients themselves. And I think that innovative culture is one of our strengths. We drive our business through partnership, and we drive our business through caring. And I think caring for the client and what their needs and what their challenges and opportunities are is what drives our people. And obviously our people differentiate us, and it drives relationships across our industry.